What is DICGC? DICGC full form is Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, and it is a wholly owned subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. It was established on 15 July 1978 under the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act 1961 for the purpose of providing insurance of deposit and guaranteeing of credit facilities. DICGC insures all bank deposits such as a saving, fixed, current, recurring deposit for up to the limit of 5 lakh of each deposits in the bank. Headquarter of DICGC is Mumbai, India, and the chairman of DICGC is BP Kanogo, who is the deputy chairman of RBI. What does the DICGC insure? The DICGC insures all deposits such as a saving, fixed, current, recurring deposit except the following types of deposit: deposits of foreign governments, deposit of central and state governments, interbank deposits, deposit of state land development bank with the state cooperative bank, any amount due to account of and deposit received outside India, and next, any amount which has been specifically exempt by the corporation with the previous approval of Reserve Bank of India. Now, which bank are insured by the DICGC? Commercial bank. All commercial bank including branches of foreign banks functioning in India, local area banks and regional rural banks are insured by the DICGC. Second, cooperative banks. Presently at all cooperative banks are covered by the DICGC, and primary cooperative society are not insured by the DICGC. What is the maximum deposit amount insured by the DICGC? Each depositor in a bank is insured up to a maximum of 5 lakh rupees for both principal and interest amount held by him in the same right and same capacity as on the date of liquidation and cancellation of bank license or the date on which the scheme of merger reconstruction come into force. Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission. It was a body set up by the Government of India, Ministry of Finance on 24 March 2011 to review and rewrite the legal institutional architecture of the Indian financial sector. In its reports, the FSLRC recommended a regulatory structure consisting of 7 agencies including a deposit insurance cum regulatory agency. The present DICGC will be subsumed into the Resolution Corporation, which will work across the financial system. Drawing on the best international practice, the FSLRC proposal involved a unified resolution corporation that will deal with an array of financial firms such as banks and insurance companies. It will not just be the bank deposit insurance corporations. It will concern itself with all financial firms which make highly intense promises to consumers such as banks, insurance companies, defined benefit pension funds, and payment system. It will also take responsibility for the graceful resolution of systematically important financial firms, even if they have no direct links to consumers. The Government of India introduced the Financial Resolution and Deposit Insurance Bill 2017 in Lok Sabha in the monsoon season of 2017 to bring forth these reforms. There have been many concerns with regards to the new bill, such as presently the banks have to pay a sum to the DICGC as an insurance premium, which insures all kinds of the bank deposit up to a limit of 5 lakh rupees. In a case of a stressed bank had to be liquidated, the depositor would to be paid through DICGC. Through the bill proposes the banks to pay a sum to the Resolution Corporation. It neither specifies the insured amount nor the amount a depositor would be paid. It is thus unclear how much a depositor would be paid in this case liquidation.